Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omen 16WF. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Omen 16WF isn't waking up when you open the lid, it's likely due to a broken lid sensor. This issue can occur from wear and tear over time or accidental damage. If left unaddressed, you may find yourself having to power on the device manually every time, which can be quite inconvenient. To fix this problem, you will need a few tools. Grab a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some tweezers. You might also want to have a replacement lid sensor on hand. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screw securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws. Keep track of them as you will need to replace them later. Next, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and carefully work your way around to avoid damaging any clips. Once the panel is removed, locate the lid sensor, which is usually situated near the hinges. You may need to disconnect a few cables to access it fully. When you find the faulty sensor, carefully detach it from its connector. Take your new sensor and attach it in the same place, ensuring it fits snugly. Remember to reconnect any cables you may have unplugged during the process. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage surrounding components. After everything is securely in place, replace the back panel and screw it down with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything feels tight and secure. Now, power on your HP Omen 16WF to check if the lid sensor works as intended. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to handle your laptop with care, avoid placing heavy objects on top of it, and ensure it's properly closed when not in use. Regular maintenance can also help prolong the lifespan of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.